Hi, welcome to at Future 7's channel. Hooray! The last piece of my puzzle. I used to say I like C and Java. The reason I use PHP very often because it is very similar to C. Having the skill is one thing. The bigger issue to me is don't know what to do. After Microsoft announced that they are going to focus on cross-platform, then I found Unity is based on C#. It would be fabulous reason to practice on C. This is my second successful unit game experiment. Game is a great playground for the real world. We can generate a bunch of meaningful dumping by simulator games. Okay, maybe this example is not that meaningful. I just want to try if I can connect my REST service via unit game. And it's working. That's great. When the player object collide on the group, they are Cosmo people, so it should be pretty good on teleport. They will send requests to Bookmk service. Then the Bookmk service will return a patch record once a time. The first one would be the first record. The newer record has more complete information. So after several trials, you can see there are more patch links appended at the later part. The second part is my first experiment, that is a racing game. It was built according to Brackeys tutorial. He made a great tutorial for building unit game years ago. I will put down the playlist at the information field.